Have you ever felt a small voice in your heart pushing you to chase your dreams, but then louder doubts shout, "You can't," or "It's too hard"? In the middle of our busy days, there's another voice, a quiet one, that tells us to keep going, to not give up. Today, we're going to talk about these feelings. We'll learn about fear, find ways to deal with it, and see how we can turn worries into motivation. This is all about finding the good in the tough times and using challenges to help us grow. We all have big dreams like a sky full of stars, but life can throw roadblocks, making us second-guess ourselves. What if the secret isn't about doing more, but about seeing things in a new light? Imagine this. Every time you feel scared or unsure, you take it as a sign to step up, to learn, and to try something new. The best stories, the ones we remember and tell others, are about people who took risks, who faced their worries and moved forward anyway. So, when you feel that tug of fear, stop for a second. Take a deep breath. Think of all the people who felt just like you, but chose to keep going. They used their fears to push them, to get them closer to their dreams. Let's face our worries together and see just how far we can go. If this speaks to you and you're excited to learn more, give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Let's make our dreams come true, one step at a time.